In today's video, I'm going to give you a quick update about cases, document, email, NVC, National Visa Center is working on. Quick update about US embassies and also July visa bulletin board. Okay, if it's something you want to know, just stay tuned and I'll be right back.
USA Monde.
Good morning, my beautiful people. This is John from USA Monde. Welcome back and thanks for watching. If it's your first time on my channel, as always, welcome. Today I have another video for you guys, and like I said in the introduction, today I'm going to talk about cases, document, email. NVC is working on this week, or every week I try to update you guys, and especially some of you guys who don't go to the website, NVC website, to check the updates. On this video is for you. Okay, so if you are petitioner, you petition for your relative, your spouse, your children, your parents, your siblings. I know you want to know when NVC will contact you after your case is approved by USCIS. Okay, and yesterday, which is July 20th, NVC announced on their website that they are working on cases they receive from USCIS on July 8th. So they are working on cases they receive 12-13 days ago. Okay, so what's gonna happen is they're gonna contact you guys after they they put all your information in the system. They will contact you, provide you all your information you needed to start the immigrant visa process. Okay, that's how it works. So if you are somebody whose case maybe were approved by USCIS 6 weeks and 2 months ago, or sometime 2.5 months ago, chances are NVC, National Visa Center, receive your case and start working on those cases. And all you gotta do is to pay attention to your email to see if NVC contact you to start the immigrant visa or not. Okay, so once you start the immigrant visa process, what you're gonna do, you pay fees and you file different forms and then submit some document. Okay, once you submit those documents, NVC National Visa Center will review those documents. Okay, and then they update us every week about what document they are reviewing. So yesterday also, which was July 20, they mentioned on their website that they are reviewing cases and they receive April 22nd. Okay, so April 22nd, probably like 2 months ago. So document they received 2 months ago, they are working on those documents now. So once they review all your document and the document you are documentary qualified, they're gonna let you know, and they're gonna tell you that once they schedule an interview for you, they're gonna send you the interview letter, tell you exactly which embassy to go, when to go to the embassy for the interview, all that. Okay, and then some of you guys send email to NVC, regarding different questions. So NVC is doing their best to respond to those questions every week. So yesterday, which was July 20th, NVC announced that they are responding to email they receive on July 14, which is 7 days ago. Okay, so pay attention to your mailbox and check your email regularly and see if you don't receive any email from NVC. Okay, so as far as US consulate, I told you that US consulate are resuming their visa services, and I received a lot of messages. People want to know if US consulate of Haiti open yet, if US consulate of India is open yet, if US consulate in London is open yet. Guys, I don't have those information. Okay, so what you're gonna do is sometimes they mention on their website that they resume their visa services, and like I told you guys also, they didn't resume all visa services. Right now they're only offering certain visa, especially to people who are not affected by the immigration suspension. So the main thing to do here, guys, is to call the US consulate yourself. Don't think I'm gonna call US consulate or US consulate around the world and ask them if they start working on visa, what kind of visa they are working on, stuff like that. You are the one who need the visa. Okay, so you are the one whose spouse will go to visa interview. You are the one whose children will go to visa interview. So you have to do your best here. Okay, call the US consulate yourself. If you don't have the number, just go to the website. You see the number, call them and ask them if they resume their visa services or not. If yes, what kind of visa they are offering. Tell them your situation, what kind of visa your spouse, maybe your children will need to come to United States of America. If they are offering that kind of visa, they will let you know, okay? Today I want to talk a little bit about the July visa bulletin board, okay? And we're going to talk about the final action date for family sponsor, and also the date for filing for family sponsor, okay? So if you see on the chat, I have the page in front of me here. You see that for F1, which is unmarried children, okay, unmarried adult children of a U.S. citizen. So you see that in Philippines they have June 1st 2011. So basically, one thing you have to know is that anybody who is in that category and whose priority date is before June 1st 2011, Philippines can start the immigrant visa process, can start adjusting their status here in the United States of America, okay? So the final action date is basically when you are eligible to start those process, okay? And then in Mexico, it's different. Mexico is on December 8th, 1997. And then India is on July 8th, 2014. Main China is on July 8th, 2014. And then the rest of the country in the world are July 8th, 2019 as well. So if you are in that category and your priority date, which is the date the petition was filed on your behalf, then once the priority date is before that date, those dates I just mentioned, then you are eligible to start your immigrant visa process or eligible to start your green card process, okay? So F2A, which is minor children of green card holder and also spouse of green card holder, in that category you see that it's current, meaning that now they will start, they are eligible to start the visa process, eligible to start the green card process, okay? So F2B, which is adult children of green card holder, you will see that in Philippines it's still on January 1st 2011, Mexico March 8th 1999, India is on May 1st 2015, China May 1st 2015, and also the rest of the country in the world May 1st 2015, okay? F3 is married children of U.S. citizens. You see, like in Philippines, the final action date is August 15, 2001. So everybody whose priority date is before that date are eligible to start the immigrant visa process, okay? They'll be contacted by NVC or they'll be contacted by USCIS at that level. Mexico is going to be July 8, 1996. India, May 8, 2008. China, May 8, 2008, and also the rest of the country of the world on May 8, 2008. And then the final category here, which is F4, on siblings of a U.S. citizen. You see that the final action date is for Philippines is on June 1st, 2001. For Mexico is June 1st, 1998. India is on February 8, 2005. China, August 22nd, 2006. And also the rest of the country in the world, August 22nd, 2006, okay? So those are the final action date. Like I said, final action date is the date when you are eligible to start those process. And now we talk about date for filing, which is at the date you are qualified, okay? So when you are qualified NVC level, that's when your document are qualified. Then NVC will send your document to U.S. consulate to start the interview process. The same as the USCIS level, then you will start the green card process, go to the interview. That's when you're going to go to the interview, all that, because you are qualified, okay? And then for that category, if you see like F1, in Philippines, F1, like I say, unmarried children of a U.S. citizen. In Philippines, the filing date is on February 8, 2012. In Mexico, January 8, 2000. India, April 22nd, 2015. China, April 22nd, 2015. The rest of the country of the world, April 22nd, 2015. Everybody whose priority date is before that date can are qualified to go to the interview, are qualified to go to a visa immigrant visa interview, or are qualified to go to a green card interview to get a green card or to get a immigrant visa. Okay, so we move to F2A. F2A in this category in Philippines, the date of filing is June 1st 2000. Mexico June 1st 2000, and India same thing, main China same thing, and rest of the country of the world same thing. Okay, for F2B category, you know that in Philippines the date for filings is on August 1st 2011. Mexico is on October 15, 1999. India, February 1st, 2016. Main China is the same thing. Also, the rest of the country is the same thing, February 1st, 2016. For F3 category, Philippines, April 22nd, 2002. Mexico, July 15, 2000. India, April 15, 2009. China, same thing, and also the rest of the country, April 15, 2009. Okay, for F4 category, Philippines is gonna be January 8th, 2002. Mexico, March 8th, 1999. India, October 22nd, 2005. China, August 15, 2007, and the rest of the country in the world, August 15, 2007. Okay, so basically, those are the dates you have on July visa bulletin on board for date for filing, and also final action date for family based only. I'm not talking about employment based only. When I have time, I'm going to talk about those also in another video. So if your priority date is current, you're just going to start the immigrant visa process. You get a notification from USCIS or NVC to start your immigrant visa process. That way there is not any day like a cutoff date you have to compare your priority date to, because it's current, you just started. Okay, so basically that's what I want to talk about today. Let you guys know about cases NVC is working on, document they are reviewing, and also email they are responding to. And for US consulate, like I told you guys, call them, know exactly what kind of visa they are offering right now. Check and see if your relative is ready to go to the interview to get a visa to come in the United States of America. You have to call them, guys. If you don't see any information on their website, like I said, just call them. And also, I just touch base on July visa bulletin board. Go over the family base in different category, from F1, F2A, F2B, F3 and F4 category. Talk about the final action date and also date for filing. Make sure your priority date is before those dates. If it's before those dates, call NVC or USCIS to let them know if you didn't receive any notification from them. That's it for today's video. I hope you guys love it, learn something from it. If you know somebody who needs to watch this video, please share with that person. If you like the video, hit the like button. If you want to see more video like this one, all you gotta do is click on this. Once again, my name is John. Thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you guys in the next video.
USA Monde.